Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to apply for a Walmart job online. It's a simple process, and I'll walk you through it step by step. Let's get started. Open your browser and go to careers.walmart.com. I'll leave the link in the description below for easy access. Once you're on the website, you'll see a list of available positions. Use the search bar to find a job title or location that suits you. For example, if you're looking for an assistant manager role, type that in and hit search. You'll see a list of vacancies for the position you searched for. Click on a job to view the details, including location, requirements, and responsibilities. If the job matches your skills and experience, click Apply Now. You'll need to upload your resume or fill out an online application form. Follow the prompts to complete the process. And that's it. You've successfully applied for a Walmart job online. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more tips and tutorials. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.